So Alex and I, after we graduated FAU together, we took a relaxing surf trip on the island of Bali, and that's really where the story started. Right when we got off the plane and went to the beach to surf for the first time, all we saw was plastic that was washed up on the shore. As business majors from FAU and entrepreneurial our whole life, we decided to come up with a business model. So we brought that idea home with us.
We started out with just Andrew and myself. We're both licensed captains, so I was a charter fishing captain, he was a towboat captain. And in the past year and a half, we've grown to just over about 120 employees. So we have captains and crews on the water from West Palm Beach all the way down south to Miami that are cleaning the ocean 7 days a week. We just expanded into Bali, Indonesia, where we have a team of 27 individuals that are cleaning the beaches and coastlines every single day. Our volunteers are really just in our community-based cleanups, which we host on the weekend. We're very close to coming up on 1 million pounds of trash removed. For every bracelet sold, we pull 1 pound of trash from the ocean.
This month, we have already launched our sea turtle conservation bracelet, which a portion of proceeds will be donated to the FAU Marine Research Lab, where they're studying the sea turtle hatchlings and a lot of very important things that happen for sea turtle research to continue their longevity.
The biggest thing for us has been the social media.
Because of support from people like IFLS and just the Facebook pages and the movement, we wouldn't be where we are today without that. So it's really something special to us. 5 years from now, we will be a brand that's starting a movement so large, it's not just our captains and our crews that are making the difference. It's the influential behavior that's making the difference.
It's kind of crazy, you know, like we've had a garbage delivery truck catch on fire, we've had captains' boats break down, like, you know, there's so many things that you got to work through and just obstacles to overcome, but you know, that's why we're here. We love it, we enjoy it, and it's all part of the business.